Hey guys, welcome back. I'm the Bento Buster, and today I'm going to show you make blue milk. Yep, Star Wars blue milk, as sold at Disneyland. Now this is my vegan version, based loosely on the Dole version. Okay, and to start off, let's address the blue elephant in the room. What is blue milk? Well, according to Wikipedia, blue milk is also known as Bantha milk, which is a rich blue-coloured milk produced by female banthas. It's also sometimes called Tatooine milk, and it can be found on most planets across the galaxy. Now, it's been over 40 years since Luke Skywalker first sipped blue milk on screen, and that was in the movie Star Wars: A New Hope. But more recently and closer to home, this has become a popular drink sold at the Disneyland Resort in Anaheim, California. Now, I'm in Tokyo, Japan, and given the current situation in the world, Disneyland, California seems like it's in a galaxy far, far away. So to make do, I'm making my own blue milk, and I'm sharing the recipe with you. Now, I have done my research and I've looked at various recipes online, and I'm most comfortable with the Dole version. That's right, the Dole pineapple people. I have, however, tweaked the recipe by making some subtle changes. For example, instead of using food coloring, I'm using natural blue spirulina. I'm sure you're familiar with green spirulina, but this is the blue stuff, blue spirulina. It's 100% natural, and as you can see, it looks amazing. Oh, and I've also added some pineapple to boost the flavor. And as a disclaimer, in this video I'm only making a mini version. I used mini Ewok-sized bananas and 2 chunks of pineapple. Of course, you guys at home, you need the big Chewbacca-sized version, so take out your notepads because here it is. Okay, let's recap the recipe. You'll need 1 cup of unsweetened coconut milk, 1.5 Dole bananas, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 slice of pineapple, and 1 tablespoon of blue spirulina. Oh, and 1 cup of ice cubes. So guys, if you follow this recipe, you should have some awesome blue milk to enjoy in the comfort of your own home while watching Star Wars. Okay, and before I try out the blue milk, please give it up for our special guest, Boba Fett. Okay, that's much better. Now I was looking a wee bit more Star Warsy. This is the moment of truth. Let's try out the blue milk. And the verdict is, it's Tatooine-tastic. As you can imagine, it's creamy and tropical, and what's more important, it's fun to make. It's also natural with no crazy additives, and the sight of blue milk is a real conversation starter. And those conversations are probably a lot about Star Wars. Okay guys, so what do you think? Now it's up to you to give it a try. Oh, and before I go, hey Boba Fett, this is for what you did to Han Solo. Revenge is sweet. Thanks for watching guys, I'm the Bento Buster, and I'll see you next time. Have fun drinking your blue milk, and may the Force be with you.